Hi guys, welcome back to another video about these small cryptocurrencies that we've been trading. First of all, if you do want to buy these, you need to get a Binance and a Trust Wallet account. If you want a link to Binance, that will be in the description below. Doing this video because we've had a lot of people requesting, wanting to know how to buy these coins. First of all, what you need is you need to buy BNB in Binance. Once you've got your BNB in your Binance, you need to be withdrawing this over to your Trust Wallet. So to do this, what we need to do is we need to click on Receive on Trust Wallet, and we receive BNB. Okay, and then we copy that address. Okay, so that's the address that's going to be sent from Binance. So we copy that address into here where it says withdraw address. Network, we want to be selecting BEP2. Don't worry about the memo. That's only needed for withdrawals. Click on the max amount, which we're doing 2.1 BNB, and click on confirm. It will come up with the memo reminding you about that, but that's fine. Click on confirm, and that will take you to your verification. Binance is very, very good for that. So once you've got those numbers sent through via your phone and your email, click submit, and that will be successful. And then what we need to do is we need to go and check on our Trust Wallet to check that it is showing there. Just while we're waiting for that to come through, just want to say if you do like this content and you want to see more, please make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon to make sure you're notified when we post new videos on this. Also, if there's anything else that you do want to see in the crypto space, let us know. We're happy to kind of look at that content. So now what we need to do, once we've got our BNB in the Trust Wallet, we need to open up PancakeSwap. So to do this, we need to activate the browser. So if your browser isn't already activated, you need to go to your Safari and type in trust : / browser underscore enable, and then press enter. I've already done it, so I don't need to press that. But if you press go, that will automatically then give you the browser option. As you see here at the bottom, the browser option is available. There's the BNB showing now. So the browser option will be available for you. And this is where we're going to go and find PancakeSwap. Okay, but first of all, what we need to do is we need to swap our BNB to Smart Chain. We do this by clicking on the three dot icons like I just have. Click on swap to Smart Chain. Always do a little bit less just to make sure that you've got some BNB there for any of the network fees, and process that there. Wait for that to transfer over. So we can only swap on PancakeSwap Smart Chain BNB. We can't swap the normal Binance Chain BNB. So once it's converted to Smart Chain and you've activated your browser, search for PancakeSwap. It should be there pretty high up. And now what we want to do is we want to change our BNB into the selected currency or coin. Now, with the likes of SafeMoon, that is showing. However, Bonfire, which is a very new coin that we've invested in, Bonfire isn't showing on Trust Wallet automatically at the moment. So we need to type in Bonfire BSC scan like I have just done there, and click through there and copy the address there, the contract address. If you have a look there, there's 129,000 holders. Bonfire's only been around for 2 weeks. To put it into perspective, SafeMoon, which we did a video on briefly the other week, at this stage after 2 weeks had around about 30 to 40,000. So Bonfire's doing very, very well. We're very optimistic. So I'm going to add an additional 0.8 BNB of Bonfire, and then in the two I've just selected and pasted the Bonfire address. Slippage is very important. We need to make sure that this is set as 11 or 12. This is the tokenomics that allows us to transfer our coins. Once that's there and you're happy that the slippage is correct and everything else is correct, click on confirm swap. Sometimes the price will be updated. It just has done there, and click on confirm swap, and that should change over to our BNB. Just authorize the fees. It's about 60 cents there. Close that and go back to the main stage of our wallet. And what we want to be doing there is just refreshing to wait for Bonfire to show. If you don't have Bonfire showing automatically, if you click on the top right hand corner See it's showing automatically there for me. If I go back, if you click on the top right hand corner, you should be able to activate Bonfire there. I'm just going to show you how to do other coins like SafeMoon and Elongate as well. So first of all, SafeMoon, as you can see there, as I was looking at the BNB, it's available. So I'm going to type in another 0.8. I'm going to select SafeMoon this time. Click I understand and continue. And again, make sure that my slippage is correct. Looks like it's at 12% still. So that should be perfectly fine. As you can see, SafeMoon's moved so far that 0.8 BNB doesn't get you as much SafeMoon anymore, 66.7 million. Whereas, just put it into perspective, when I got into SafeMoon, it was at 0.6 BNB, got me 1.5 billion. So yeah, it's done very well. I'm going to swap this over now. And I've double checked that the slippage is okay. I'm going to confirm the swap, update the price, confirm swap, and that should go through perfectly fine. Excellent. So back to the main wallet, and I'm going to now refresh to make sure that that's all showing, which it looks like it's doing fine. So you can see I've got a little bit of elongate there, 577 million, sorry. Let's wait for SafeMoon, just double check that is. Didn't check what the balance was before, but I believe that's the updated balance. But yeah, I've got 577 million elongate. I'm going to up this again. I've got about 0.5 BNB, but first of all, I need to search on BSC scan again for the elongate contract address. So I'm going to type that in there, same as we did for Bonfire. Click on elongate on BSC scan. Scroll down and click on the contract address, copy that back to the Trust wallet, click on the wallet, go to the Pancake Swap, and once again, BNB. Now I've got 0.504, I'm going to do 0.49 on this, purely because I want to make sure that there's enough BNB left for any potential fees, should I want to purchase anything else, or should I want to be making any withdrawals. Now I'm going to copy in the elongate address there. So I've just done SafeMoon there. Let's go back and do that, continue and click on there. So I'll copy and paste the elongate address. It's very important that you double check these things. You don't want to be making mistakes. Slippage is at 12%, so I'm happy with that. And I'm going to swap that over. So confirm swap. Okay, output amount. You may get this sometimes insufficient. Now all we need to do is change our slippage. So pop it back down to 11%. Try that again. Okay, insufficient output amount. Change it back to 12. Just keep trying it. 10, 11, 12, 11 and a half, 12 and a half. Confirm. Oh, there we go. Perfect. So yeah, that does happen, guys. Don't panic if that happens. Just change your slippage a little bit slightly, but that should be, that's gone completely fine. And if I refresh now, there we go. So I've got 1 billion elongate. So guys, that's how you do it. That's how you change your BNB on Binance all the way through to your Pancake Swap on your Trust wallet and purchase these coins. Best of luck. As with any investment, try and take your profits out as soon as you can, so it's a risk-free investment. Cheers, guys.